time, stocking time. Bells are ringing, hear them chime. Candy canes and tangerines. Best Christmas morning ever seen.
Little toys and books to read, everything a child might need. Wrapped with ribbons red and gold, stories waiting to be told.
Stocking, stocking, stocking time. Bells are ringing, hear them chime. Candy canes and tangerines. Best Christmas morning ever seen.
In the workshop far away, elves are busy night and day, painting toys and wrapping gifts, working through the midnight shifts. Tap, tap, hammer away. Christmas coming soon, they say, building dreams for girls and boys, making wonderful Christmas toys. Teddy bears and trains that roll, dolls and books and drums to hold. Every gift is made with care, love and joy in every share. Tap, tap, hammer away. Christmas coming soon, they say, building dreams for girls and boys, making wonderful Christmas toys.
Nine little reindeer standing in a row, prancing in the sparkling snow, shaking jingle bells so bright, getting ready for Christmas night. Reindeer ready, here we go, flying fast through ice and snow, up above the world so high, dashing through the starry sky. Dasher, Dancer, lead the way, Prancer, Vixen, shout hooray! Comet, Cupid, Donner, too, Blitzen, a red-nosed crew. Reindeer ready, here we go, flying fast through ice and snow, up above the world so high, dashing through the starry sky. Snowflakes dancing in the air, twirling, swirling everywhere, landing softly on my nose, on my mittens and my toes. Dance, dance, snowflake dance, round and round in winter's trance, spin and whirl and float around, gently falling to the ground. Each one special, each one new, sparkling white and icy blue. Catch one quickly if you can, watch it melt upon your hand. Dance, dance, snowflake dance, round and round in winter's trance, spin and whirl and float around, gently falling to the ground. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey. Come and taste them, here's the proof. Gingerbread, gingerbread, yummy treat. Frosted buttons, candy feet. Gumdrops, smiling, icing eyes. Best friends in a cookie size.
Built a snowman big and round, standing tall upon the ground. Carrot nose and button smile, he'll stay with us a little while. Hello, friendly snowman dear, we're so glad you're standing here. Though the winter wind may blow, you're our friend made out of snow.
Gave him Dad's old hat to wear, scarf of red with loving care. Coal for eyes so we can see all the joy of you and me.
Hello, friendly snowman dear, we're so glad you're standing here. Though the winter wind may blow, you're our friend